broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Flutter, flutter. Something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time's you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Flutter, flutter.
Wow.
This is how I remember it. It works for me and it keeps me out of trouble. I always stay between the mustard and the mayonnaise. Mustard being the yellow line, and the mayonnaise being the white line. Stay out of the lettuce. If you get into the lettuce, then ketchup comes out of your body. And keep it in between the mustard and the mayonnaise all day, and we'll all get home.